Have you ever pondered the power of diversity and the impact of constructive dialogue? This question invites us to delve into a topic of profound importance, a topic that revolves around understanding, growth, and unity. It invites us to reflect upon the myriad hues of human perspectives that paint the canvas of our world, and the conversations that weave these colors into a beautiful tapestry. Not long ago, a thought-provoking comment reached me. A comment that suggested we engage in respectful debates with individuals who might hold differing perspectives. A proposition to contribute positively to the discourse, to enrich the conversation with a kaleidoscope of viewpoints. We're not talking about a contest of right or wrong here, but a celebration of diversity, a journey towards understanding. It's an invitation to a dialogue where everyone is a winner, and the prize is a more harmonious world. In the spirit of unity, I am eager to embark on conversations that allow for the exploration of different viewpoints. Our journey on this platform has always been about celebrating diversity and sharing the richness of Islamic teachings. Imagine a tapestry, vibrant with colors, each thread representing a unique perspective, a unique voice. That's what this channel has always aimed to be, a tapestry of diversity. From the moment we uploaded our first video, our mission was clear: celebrate diversity, promote unity, and share the beauty of Islamic teachings. As we ventured into the vast world of the internet, we were met with a myriad of voices, each echoing their own experiences and beliefs, and we welcomed them all. We've always believed that every voice adds a new thread to our tapestry, a new layer to our understanding of the world. Our commitment to celebrating diversity is not just about acknowledging differences, but about embracing them. It's about fostering an environment where every voice is heard, every perspective is valued. We have strived to create a space where dialogue is not just encouraged, but celebrated, a space where we learn, grow, and evolve together. Over the years, we've engaged in countless conversations, each one enriching our community in its own unique way. We've delved into the depths of Islamic teachings, explored diverse viewpoints, and challenged our own beliefs. We've laughed, we've cried, we've grown. But our journey is far from over. As we continue to navigate the digital landscape, our commitment to promoting constructive dialogue remains unwavering. We believe in the power of conversation, in the power of words. Words can bridge gaps, dispel misconceptions, and foster understanding. We are not just a channel, we are a community. A community united by a shared commitment to understanding, to learning, to growth. We are a community that thrives on dialogue, that values every voice, every thread in our tapestry. And as we look towards the future, we are excited about the conversations that lie ahead. Conversations that challenge us, that inspire us, that bring us closer together. Conversations that continue to weave our tapestry of diversity. It is through such exchanges that we can find common ground, dispel misconceptions, and build bridges of understanding. Constructive dialogue is a powerful tool for change. It is the key that unlocks the door to understanding, acceptance, and unity. Imagine a world where everyone's perspective is heard, where we listen not just to respond, but to understand, where we don't shy away from differences but embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. This is the world that constructive dialogue can help us build. In the vast tapestry of human experiences, each thread, each voice, is unique. Each one carries a different story, a different perspective. But when we weave these threads together through dialogue, we create a richer, more vibrant picture of the world. We create a symphony of ideas, where each note, each voice, is crucial to the harmony of the whole. But how does this happen? How does constructive dialogue transcend differences? The answer lies in our approach. Instead of seeing differences as barriers, we view them as bridges. Bridges that connect us, that allow us to venture into unexplored territories of thought, to gain new insights, and to broaden our horizons. Through constructive dialogue, we foster an environment where every voice matters, where every perspective is valued, and every story is heard. An environment where we don't just tolerate diversity but celebrate it, where we don't just accept differences but cherish them. Because it is these differences that make us who we are, that make our world diverse and beautiful. In this journey of dialogue, we are not alone. We bring along our viewers, our community, our family. We create a space where they can participate, where they can share their ideas, their stories, their perspectives. A space where they can contribute to the rich tapestry of human experiences, to the symphony of ideas By engaging in open conversations, we not only enrich our own understanding but also create a space where our viewers can participate in a thoughtful exchange of ideas. So let's embark on this journey of constructive dialogue. Let's weave together our threads, our voices, and create a symphony of ideas that celebrates our diversity and unity. I am committed to reaching out to individuals like Sahil or Adam Seeker. This commitment is not driven by an agenda or a desire to win, but rather by the understanding that engaging with those who think differently can lead to enlightening conversations and mutual growth. It's about opening doors, bridging gaps, and fostering a spirit of unity and diversity. In this quest for understanding, I am extending an invitation to Sahil, to Adam Seeker, and to anyone else who holds a perspective different from ours. This is an invitation to engage in open, respectful dialogue, where we can learn from each other, challenge each other, and perhaps even change each other's perspectives. The goal here is not to convert or convince, but to converse. To create a platform where we can all express our thoughts, share our beliefs, and explore our differences without fear or judgment. It's about turning disagreement into dialogue, confrontation into conversation, and division into unity. And as we reach out to individuals with differing perspectives, let's remember that the purpose of this dialogue is not to defeat anyone. It's not about proving anyone wrong or asserting our views as superior. It's about understanding and learning, about breaking down barriers and building bridges of understanding. It's about dispelling negativity and promoting unity. We believe that everyone has a voice that deserves to be heard, and every perspective has something valuable to offer. And so, we invite all voices, all perspectives, to this table of dialogue. Let's embrace this opportunity to engage in meaningful conversations that could reshape our understanding of the world and each other. This is not just an invitation to a conversation, but an invitation to a journey of discovery, understanding, and growth. A journey that we hope will lead to a more informed and harmonious society, a journey that we are excited to embark on together. By embracing the opportunity for dialogue, we hope to contribute to a more informed and harmonious society. With open hearts and open minds, let us step into this journey of dialogue, and together, let us create a world where understanding, respect, and unity thrive. Our community has always been a beacon of positivity, kindness, and mutual respect. It's a statement that's always been true, and, as we move forward, it's one we'll continue to uphold. This is not just a virtual space, but a shared home where we come together to celebrate our differences, learn from each other, and grow as individuals and as a community. Creating a positive space is more than just a goal. It's a commitment to respect, understanding, and empathy. It's about acknowledging that we all come from different walks of life. We all have our own experiences, and we all see the world through our own unique lens. It's about recognizing these differences and embracing them, not as barriers, but as opportunities for growth and learning. And so, as we step into this new chapter of dialogue and discussion, it's crucial that we hold on to these values. That we approach each conversation with an open heart and an open mind, that we listen, not just to respond, but to truly understand. That we speak, not to impose but to share, that we respect each other's perspectives, even when we don't agree with them. You see, a positive space isn't just about agreeing with each other, it's about allowing for disagreement. It's about fostering a culture where diverse opinions are not just tolerated, but actively welcomed. Where every voice is heard, every perspective is valued, and every individual is treated with dignity and respect. The journey towards understanding and harmony isn't always easy. There will be disagreements and misunderstandings. There will be moments of tension and discomfort. But it's in these moments that we have the opportunity to truly grow, to step outside our comfort zones, to challenge our own beliefs, and to deepen our understanding of each other and the world around us. The comment section should be a space where diverse opinions are welcomed and discussions are approached with an open heart and mind. Let us remember this as we move forward. Let us strive to create a space that truly embodies the spirit of positivity, kindness, and mutual respect. A space that celebrates diversity, fosters understanding, and promotes constructive dialogue. Dear friends, I am excited about the prospect of engaging in respectful conversations that go beyond the surface. We've explored the importance of embracing diversity and the power of constructive dialogue. Our journey together on this platform is a testament to the rich tapestry of perspectives that make up our community. Recognizing and respecting these differences is not just an exercise in tolerance, but a valuable opportunity to learn and grow together. By extending an invitation to individuals like Sahil or Adam Seeker, we're taking a stand for unity and understanding. We're creating a space where each voice matters, where every opinion is heard. It's not about winning a debate, but about fostering a meaningful exchange of ideas that can contribute to a more harmonious society. Thank you for your ongoing support, and I look forward to embarking on this journey of dialogue together.